All right, y'all ready? Let's go. Everybody. DJ Brown and rock with ALsoHD. Wow.
I got Roxanne with me, man. Y'all not expecting this one, I promise. But look though, enough of the talking, man. Let's get to the music.
Have enough time to do the wax on this one, so he's gonna cut this out, make a stencil. He's gonna lay it on top, put the stencil on, and then he's gonna carve into that sand to create the break.
In a pack of Ajax, hold a Roxanne, where you at?
Coming from the bottom, I don't need no help. Tell that bitch run it, she gon' need some help. Money in the bank, all I need is my wealth. Ain't shit sweet, play the cards I was dealt.
Hey, look, man, it's the No Genre Youngin' Hobby. I got Jock Beats with me, and we just want to say shout out to ALHD. You did all the way.
Get this money, got 100 niggas ready, put that pistol to your
This real money, boy, don't hurt your hands. I forget the whip, I do the money dance.
The Sloss Furnaces Metal Arts program, and we cast iron sculpture, bronze sculpture as a group of artists who are resident artists here on site. Tonight we're running the furnace for you guys. We're gonna pour some iron, interact with the video shoot here, but primarily we're artists making sculpture.
The legs off, fuck the world, legs up, roll up, camera smoke the smell off, bands. Yeah, been doing a lot of dreaming lately, a lot of scheming lately. More than music, the money and the power for the taking on the greatest. Neck freeze, I mean frozen, below zero on me. Polar spring chain, flooded desert eagle on me. Keep it peaceful, homie. Moving silence, bitch. I ain't strapping now, nigga boots up. The robber souped up, I can get 2 touch for $2. The ghost white on white like the crew clutch. I'm too clutch. Yeah.
Hey, man, y'all did what's going on. This is behind the scenes. I call this the before effect. You feel me? I got London with me. I got Jock with me. Again. Look at it, again.
What's a Florida, yeah? I'm on a mission to see mama kid. Wanna see her thumb through a ticket. I used to trap in the city, ho. Not now, I'm busy, ho. The new coupe, no ceilings, ho. Killing hoes, ain't foes, and whatever else come with those.